Hey there, Haas, the one-legged gardener guy. It's been several days since I did my last video because it's been raining. So I'm not going to come out in the rain. So anyway, let's do a quick look at the garden. Whoops, sorry. So over here we've got some cucumbers, okay, and they're the I forget what kind. Anyways, they're a hybrid. So these are cucumbers. These are great for salads. Yeah, that's the brand. So I planted three plants there. Hopefully we'll get some good cucumbers this year. Again, over here are two Roma tomato plants. I just planted two. Looking forward to some fresh tomatoes. Over here I planted some string beans, and looks like maybe we might be getting one coming up here. We'll see. Anyways, a couple of different kinds of string beans over here. Up here, I've got 6 plants that haven't really come up yet. Yeah, I got a little critter that looks like he's wanting to come up here and do a little digging around. But I planted some zucchini squash. Okay, some summer zucchini squash. Along here, I know these are the seeds that I planted, flowers. So just some, I think they're snapdragons, but got some flowers coming up here to help attract pollinators. Okay, so going around the side over here, here's our hay bales. And, well, one thing for sure, it can sure grow grass. So, I've had to pull it out a few times. So it loves the straw. So these are jalapenos. Oh, looks like we got a little flower over there already. Good. Gonna start having jalapenos there. Oh, the stem is getting nice and thick. As you can see right here, getting nice and thick there. It was a lot thinner when I bought the plant, and it's kind of scrawny. So looks like it's enjoying it. These two are jalapeno hot peppers from Bonnie Plants. These two here are mammoth jalapenos. Okay, these two right here. So these would be those big ones that you see in the supermarkets. Pull the grass out a little bit. Okay. And then this one, these two plants are two more of the mammoth. So I got 4 mammoth jalapenos and two of the hot jalapenos. Again, we sure got some good grass. Oh, look, we got a ladybug. So that's good. It'll eat any aphids or anything that's going to try and come onto the plants. So those ladybugs are good bugs. Some nurseries actually sell ladybugs in containers that you can put on your flower gardens and stuff, because they kill all the bad bugs. Over here we have our strawberry plants. Both of these are strawberries. So hopefully, oh yeah, On this one, look kind of close. There's a couple of berries growing right inside there. There's some strawberries, you can see them. So, yay, hopefully we'll get some in. These 3 planters here just have, they have zucchini squash, just like the other ones, the big one, because we love zucchini. So, can't get enough squash as far as I'm concerned, you know, and you can always can it. So those take about 21 days or so to germinate, and then they'll start coming up and we'll get us some zucchini plants. So over here we got our other 5 tomato plants. This one over here is a husky cherry red. Cherry tomatoes. That one's coming on very nicely. There's that one. A little farther. There you go. Husky cherry red. This one is super sweet 100s. So maybe they'll make 100 tomatoes. I don't know. We'll see. They've already got a couple of flowers going. Yeah, a little wilty going on there. Throw that far away. This one, these are all actually all cherry tomatoes because we really like our salads. So this is another cherry tomato plant. This one is a husky cherry red. Okay. And we've got super sweet 100s cherry tomatoes. We like our cherry tomatoes. And then this one is our husky cherry red, another one. So there we go. 5 cherry tomatoes, 2 Roma tomatoes. Unlike last year where I had about 15 tomato plants. And if you remember, right, this planter was about 10 feet in the air. Tomato plants crossing over here to there to here. It was crazy. So, less tomato plants this year. Had way too many tomatoes. Okay, and then over here, if you look over here, look at this, Mama. We got us some baby string beans. And this particular brand, going all the way down, is one brand. Oop, there's a little critter digging in there. Darn. So this one is the asparagus bean. So this is the one that we have every year in this particular planter. It grows up to the top and actually starts growing down over on the other side. So it's a good one. So anyways, that's today's update. Oh, looks like I'm growing a weed out of the side.
Took out your tree.
Oh yeah, we took out this tree over here, and as you can see the logs over there. This was a red oak, I think. There was an oak tree. Oh, and these are the flowers that I planted from the University of the Ozarks. And that's these that are growing right here. So it should attract some nice pollinators. So anyways, so along with having plenty of firewood, you know, took down this tree. That tree got taken out over there. You see the stump. That was a red cedar. That'll make some really good kindling for this winter because it burns nice and hot. So anyways, it's Haas, your one-legged gardener guy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll give you some more updates, and you guys have a good day, and God bless. Take care.